Why are businesses so up in arms about this if it really isn't going to have that much effect on the economy?
Yeah, I think the larger concern is going to be moving forward what these types of policies could look like. There's a stay right now on the current ban. And the administration has told us that we are to expect something this week, a revision of the executive order. So depending on what is proposed going forward, what order is issued, and even what Congress may do, it could have a fairly large impact on immigration that we see into this country, and that could have some impacts on the economy. For example, if we see the ban at all expanded to more countries, it could mean fewer people coming into often high-skilled jobs. That could have an effect on productivity in the economy. And if we see any curbs on the H-1B visa, which is for highly skilled workers, any more restrictions on those, for example, would mean also more difficulty in filling high-skilled jobs in the U.S. economy.
That H-1B visa is sort of a third rail, particularly for Silicon Valley. They really are upset about that. But take a step back. Is this really an edge of the wedge argument? That is to say, it's not so much these 7 countries. I mean, I don't know how many computer scientists we have coming in from Yemen on a regular basis. Is it really a concern that it will expand well beyond the 7 countries? And if that's the concern, is there anything that the Trump administration has said or done that would suggest that?
Well, I think right now it's a bit of an unknown. I think people are really taking this day by day. We haven't had too many details from the administration of what the revised executive order will look like. I think a lot of people are saying that it will still remain from those 7 countries, and they will let in people with visas and green cards, people that already have those. So they'll restrict it mostly to people who haven't traveled to the U.S. before. So it really may not have much of an economic impact. It's just something to watch for and to see really how it develops and if it expands to other parts of immigration.
So you'll have an opportunity to go back to those economists and resurvey them once we know where we are.
Absolutely.
Okay.